to build ESP32 IDF projects under VS Code. Hi guys! In one of my previous videos I showed you one trick how to build your projects under VS Code. That trick was based on VS Code settings, and for some reason after some update of VS Code it stopped working. Anyway, that trick wasn't so cool because we needed to configure workspace for each project in a specific way. I also found plugin from Espressif. Previously it wasn't clear how to make it working. For some reason it was problematically to configure it. But last versions of this plugin work very cool. And today I'm gonna show you how to install it and use it for building your code written for ESP-IDF. So, first of all, we need to install the plugin. As usual, we go to the Extensions menu and finding ESP-IDF. Then click Install. The installation took me about 1 minute. This plugin may be configured very quickly. Sometimes you need to restart VS Code for the changes to take place. For demonstration how this plugin works, I will configure it and build HTTP server example. You may find this example in the IDF installation folder, just like I'm doing it now. Then I copy it into a separate folder and open it in the VS Code. Now I need to configure IDF plugin. For that, I open Command Panel by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P and enter search text ESP-IDF configure. From the list of commands, I choose Configure IDF extension. This tool shows me 3 options: Express for IDF installation, Advanced for selecting necessary IDF installation directories, and Use existing setup. I choose the last one as the most preferable for me. It checks consistency of IDF and makes some preparations. Okay, done. Now I'm ready to build my project. For doing that, I again press Ctrl-Shift-P and then search for the build command. Okay, the build is done. Now I am ready for flashing my device. Before flashing, I need to configure COM port to which my device is connected. I open the commands panel again and enter ESP-IDF COM. From the list of the preferred commands, I choose Select port to use. Then it asks me to choose the port. In my case, it is COM4. It says that these settings will be used for all my projects in the current workspace folder. And finally, for flashing the device, I press this button at the bottom of the screen. I see that device is connected and the flashing progress. Okay, done. I can use my device now with the uploaded code. If you like this video, please subscribe, write some comments and questions. If you need my assistance for developing an engineering sample of controlling device, you may book a free consultation with me by following the link in the video description. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.